Got a little less sane, got a little more dangerous. Dangerous. Motherfucker feel dangerous. Yeah, new shit, let me drop that for you.
Speakers and a chair, plus this thing's affordable, plus it's actually really comfortable. Let's check it out. So before we jump into the video, do me a favor, leave me a like, drop me a comment. The algorithm just eats all that up and it'll help YouTube push my content to more people. I'd appreciate it greatly.
My goddess, like oh my goddess, my goddess. She's so dry with her humor, but she get wet like aquatics. She polished, she
The chair comes in a trio of colors, red and blue like the ones we have here today, and also a black and white version of the chair, which just looks straight fire. Now, other than the color, they're exactly the same, and the overall design is pretty dope. It's not overly flashy or in your face, and they've even gone away with the whole tramp stamp design that was on the back of their previous models, which is great. It's good to know that they're listening to the feedback. I always appreciate that. Whatever colorway you go for, expect to see splashes of color throughout the entirety of the chair. From the wheels, the base, lumbar and headrest pillows, and of course the seat itself. The color theme is done extremely well, down to some of the smaller details like the pipe seam that runs around the entire chair. I've owned a handful of GT Racing branded chairs and have yet to experience any problems other than some squeaking, so I can definitely vouch for the durability of these chairs. The chair's metal frame does a good job of holding everything together, and the base is rated for up to, I believe, 300 pounds. Don't quote me on that. One complaint though that has been present throughout their entire chair lineup has been the armrest wiggle that I experience. It's still here, and while it's a minor thing, I really would like to see it addressed. Kind of annoying. Now, for a rather inexpensive chair, you're getting some pretty high quality materials like super soft PU leather, which is found in a lot of, top brand chairs like DX Racer. PU leather isn't the most breathable. In fact, you can heat up rather quickly, especially on hot summer days, which, let's be honest here, can result in a bad case of swamp ass. However, I do believe the pros outweigh the cons when it comes to PU leather. For one, the longevity of PU leather is insane. It's durable as hell and it holds up nicely. Plus, it's extremely easy to clean and doesn't leave stains or nasty smells. Love or hate gaming chairs, you can't deny the convenience of the sheer amount of adjustments that you can make to suit your body and sitting style. Of course, you've got your height adjustments, your rocking feature, which can be locked, your but can you do this feature, aka recline, which can also be locked, but this time at any fixed position. And of course, all your armrest adjustments are here as well. So you're able to swivel in and out each armrest as well as raise and lower them. If you're willing to pay a few extra bucks, you can actually snag an upgraded model that comes in the same exact color scheme, but it offers a footrest for some extra comfort when you're lounging back watching some movies. I'll leave links to both models down in the description below. Now the chair is rated for up to 300 pounds like I said, and as far as height goes, I'm 6'2", 240 pounds, fits me just fine, so shout out to all my big and tall dudes. We're all good here with this chair. The seat padding is plenty thick. It is on the firmer side of things, but over time it should mold to your body shape. I have no complaints with the comfort of this beast. Now, the most interesting thing about this chair is the Bluetooth speakers, but unfortunately, they're also the most disappointing. First, let's go over some of the things that I actually like about them. For one, the Bluetooth receiver has seen an upgrade in the form of the charging port, which now uses micro USB instead of the outdated mini USB. I mean, that thing was just completely ancient at this point in time. So I was really pleased to see that. Now, you get around 6 hours or so of music playback, which is respectable considering the small size of the Bluetooth receiver. Although, since it's, chilling in the pouch on the back of the chair all the time outside of charging, I would have really loved to see the battery improved, double or triple the size of the receiver since it's stowed away. Now, it kind of hurts me to talk about these speakers poorly because I really love the concept here. I just wish that the execution was better. Let me see how I can explain the sound to you guys. I mean, the sound is better than what you would get on your phone or even what you would find on most laptops. I guess it's actually pretty comparable to the sound you would get straight out of most TVs. Plenty loud, just rather flat, lacking any sort of bass, pretty dull overall. I really like to feel the bass, so GT Racing, if you're listening, I'm telling you, put some sort of subwoofers back here or vibrating motors that shake or vibrate your seat when the bass hits so you can kind of feel the action and you'll have yourself a golden ticket. I'm telling you, guys, imagine for a second, right? You're running along in Apex, enemy chucks a nade, boom, hits you, your chair vibrates, you jump up, turn around, doof, 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 start shooting back, which each bullet that penetrates your enemy, you actually feel your chair vibrate. That would be insane. I want that. Regardless, all in all, the chair is good, and I could definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a cheap gaming chair. Even though the speakers are lacking, I think it's a cool idea, and the comfort is what matters, and it's great here. Feel free to check those links in the description if you're interested. Let me know what you think about this chair, and if you guys enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Like that smash button. Feel free to check out some other content. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.